Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to duplicate your page or post on Elementor. So the first thing would be is when you have your page done, you can go ahead right there and see the save options. And now you want to go ahead and save it as a template. I don't have it already because I already saved this as a template. And now you will have the same page as a template. Now, you go ahead and, for example, let's create a new page and edit this with Elementor. So we would have our templates. And now you want to go ahead and click this folder button and click on My Templates. And here you will have your template. You want to insert it and apply. And it will basically insert all of your website just like so. So this is one way how you can do this. Another way would be to go to the WordPress. And now when we are on pages here, this is our home page we just did with Elementor. And if you want to just duplicate it, as you can see, there is no option for this. So we need actually a plugin. So you go ahead, add a new plugin, and just write down copy pages, I believe. Let's see. Copy pages. Duplicate posts is also a good one. So let's install it now. And now once we are here, you can go ahead onto the post you want to copy and just click copy. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.